Dinosaur Story. Dinosaur Skin. Hello! This time, let's find out what dinosaur skin looked like and what color it was. The skin may be more important than bones and muscles in dinosaur restoration. The bones and muscles are covered by the skin, and the overall appearance and impression are determined by the skin. But it's not so easy to understand and restore dinosaur skin. Not only are skin fossils themselves rare, but it's also hard to restore the skin exactly through the fossils found. This is because we cannot extract dinosaur skin pigments from fossils. Looking at the dinosaur paintings, the skin color is expressed in various ways, from dark gray to full range of colors. The texture of the skin is also expressed in a solid form like an alligator, and sometimes in a wrinkled form, like an elephant. Dinosaurs are often restored by the imagination of painters and sculptors. Dinosaurs are not imaginary animals, but animals that lived on Earth. To learn more about dinosaurs, we need to understand fossils and modern animals, not imagination. Skin color. Animal skin consists of two layers, the dermis and the epidermis. The skin, the largest organ in the body, protects the body from the outside, prevents moisture loss, and maintains body temperature. It is also responsible for sensations such as pain and pressure. Melanocytes are melanin-producing cells found in the epidermis of mammals and birds. Melanin is a dark pigment primarily responsible for skin color. There are no pigment cells in the dermis. The skin color of mammals and birds does not change rapidly, but changes slowly with the change of seasons. On the other hand, amphibians and reptiles have three types of pigment cells in the dermis. These animals can quickly change their skin color by translocation of pigments according to their surroundings. Maybe dinosaurs could change their skin color like chameleons. Sometimes, congenital abnormalities in melanocyte function are found in nature. These genetic mutations result in white, black and pink instead of the usual colors. This phenomenon must have also appeared in dinosaurs. Modern animals show protective coloration according to their habitat. For example, lions living in the savanna have brown fur. Leopards living in the forest have spotted fur, and snow leopards living in the snowy alpine areas have nearly white fur. Protective coloration is also widely applied to dinosaur restoration. It is common for artists to paint the background first and then draw dinosaurs with a protective color suitable for it. You can't put grass in the background. Grass is a plant that appeared in the Cenozoic era and did not exist in the Mesozoic era when dinosaurs lived. We can't identify the skin color of dinosaurs through fossils. However, there are fossils that the color patterns have been preserved by replacing them with minerals. This form was found among fossils of Mosasaurus and turtles. Through these fossils, it is possible to guess the color patterns. Skin texture. It seems that the dinosaur's skin was closer to the hard skin of crocodiles than the wrinkled skin of elephants. It is completely different from snake scales. The scales of lizards and snakes are mainly derived from the epidermis. Keratin is the main component, and there is no bone. And each scale overlaps adjacent scales. Dinosaur skin is not like this. The bumps on the crocodile's body are called scutes or osteoderms. The surface of the scute is covered with keratin, but most of the rest is composed of bone derived from the dermis. In addition to crocodiles, scutes are found on the shells of turtles and the feet of birds. The body of the dinosaur was also covered with scutes. Many fossils have been found. The flat bony plates rising from the back of Stegosaurus are uniquely modified form of scutes. Peleroplites, an ankylosaurian dinosaur found in Utah, also have highly developed bony plates on their backs. It is difficult to know the skin color through fossils. However, many fossils have been found that reveal the texture of the skin. The most common form is fossil impression. Dinosaurs sometimes left indented marks of their skin, imprinted on the soil. The skin itself dissolved and disappeared, but the imprinted form was preserved as a fossil. In the 20th century, many dinosaur mummies were discovered. In addition to tendons and muscles, the skin was often preserved as fossils. In particular, the mummy fossil of Nautosaurus discovered in 2011 in Alberta, Canada, was surprisingly well preserved as it was when it was alive. The skin of sauropod dinosaurs was often restored to a wrinkled shape, like an elephant. However, their skin fossils have been found in which flat and round scutes are scattered without overlapping. The skin of sauropod dinosaurs was probably closer to reptiles than elephants. Fossils of sauropod skin spikes have also been found, possibly from Diplodocus or Barosaurus. These spikes were arranged in a row in the middle of the back. The size was slightly different depending on the body part. Fossils of the skin of ceratopsians such as Chesmosaurus and Centrosaurus have also been found. The skin texture of ceratopsian dinosaur is almost the same regardless of species. The body and thighs were covered with flat scutes and slightly larger conical spikes, protruding between them. In the case of duck-billed dinosaurs, many skin fossils have been found, including mummies. Their bodies were also covered with flat, round scutes about 3 centimeters in size, with small bumps filling the gaps. It's also reported that in mummy fossils, webbing between toes was found. Skin fossils of carnivorous dinosaurs have also been found. The impression fossil of Carnotaurus is the most widely known. Round scutes about 5 centimeters cover the body, and small bumps fill the space between them. The skin is crumpled and wrinkled. The sculpture restored based on this skin fossil by an American paleontologist, Stephen Cherkis, is very famous. Dinosaur quiz. Which of the following is the most common form of dinosaur skin fossils? Number 1 mummy. Number 2 impression. Number 3 freezing. Number 4 ember. The answer is impression. Impressions are imprints of dinosaur skin preserved indirectly. It is the most common type of dinosaur skin fossil. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you.